Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's time for our weekly review, and as usual, we're gonna make our review on the DXY and EURUSD, and we'll start with the fundamental analysis first and the technical analysis later. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my trading journal for this week, and I have started by making a complete review of the previous week. That is the week that has started from July 7th to July 11th. As usual, I've also made a fundamental review and a technical review. For that previous week, the major market driver was the US tariffs, which has a really bullish impact, a positive impact on the USD. And as you can see here, the DXY in the 1 hour was completely bullish here, and the market kept breaking new structures to the upside here. And also you can see EURUSD was completely bearish here, since EURUSD is negatively correlated to the DXY here. So this is what the market has done during that previous week. So for the current week, this is my forecast, and as usual, I'm gonna make the fundamental forecast first and the technical one later. So for the fundamental one, here is the calendar of the current week, the week that has just ended, and my main focus was on the US CPI. So the US CPI was the main market driver for me. So all of my trades would depend on the CPI data that will come from the United States. So here's my technical forecast as well. And in the 4 hour, the DXY was completely bearish here. As you can see, the market keep breaking structures to the downside, take an inducement, break a structure here again, and take an inducement here. And at this time, the market has mitigated a very important order block in the 4 hour after taking out this inducement here. So I expect the market to respect it and push to the downside here. So that means that the CPI needs to be negative before the market respect this level here. So if the CPI data came out positive, then the market will probably not respect this level here and keep pushing to the upside here. And this is the structure that we have in the 1 hour. So in the 1 hour, you can clearly see that the market has created this single kind of order block here, and the market start making a reaction to the downside here. So at that time, I couldn't take any trade because I was waiting for the CPI data to come up before I can confirm that the market will reverse here. Okay, so I waited for the market to break this level here, which will be like a change of character here, and maybe I'll take my sell based on this single kind of order block here. But everything will depend on the CPI data. Okay, so for the EURUSD in the 4 hour, I had this structure here. Since I was expecting a bearish DXY, then I expected EURUSD to go to the opposite direction. EURUSD will go completely bullish here, but I had to wait for EURUSD to mitigate this key level here before I can plan for a buy here. Okay, and this is a structure in the 1 hour as well. So I couldn't take any trade at all, given that I have not yet received the CPI data. Okay, so this is what I've said here. These are just prelim insights. So without a fundamental trigger or a driver, we have to be careful here. Okay, so I had to wait for the CPI data. So on July 16th, that is on the last Tuesday, we got the CPI data, and unfortunately, it came out completely positive here. Okay, so the scenario here was that if the CPI data came out negative, that means that the XY will respect this level here, and dollar will go down here, and then or USD will go up and respect my structure here. But unfortunately, we got a way better CPI than expected. So that means that our USD will go down and the XY will go up. And as you can clearly see here, the DXY has broken this level here because the CPI data came out way better than expected. Okay, so this is why you always have to keep an eye on the fundamental and the news release, because if you were just relying on your structures here, you would say that the market has already broken these structures here, taken out inducement, and this auto block is clean here, and then you wait for maybe this single kind of auto block here, then take a sell here. But the CPI data came out positive, way positive than expected, so the market would not respect your level here, and as you can see, the market has gone completely bullish. And since the CPI data came out positive, or USD has slipped here, and I was planning for a sell here, but this level here is still a very strong level here. And as you can see, the market has made a small reaction here, even though the CPI data was positive here. So I was waiting for the market to give me an additional confirmation here before I can plan for the sell here. And I got this confirmation here. This massive bearish candle here was my confirmation, and I was planning to sell, but unfortunately there was some really unexpected news here, something related to Donald Trump and Jerome Powell, which is the chairman of the Federal Reserve of the United States. So this one here is completely unexpected. Let me show you our current week calendar, you can see there is nothing related to Donald Trump or to the Fed chairman, but this news came out in a completely unexpected way. So that has caused mess to the market. So the market didn't respect my structure at all. So in this case here, I would not say that my structure failed or my analysis failed. This is a completely unexpected thing. So I respected, I was disciplined, and I respected my trading plan. So I would not complain for that. So yeah, it is what it is. This is part of the trading. So here is my final review for this current week. So we had a completely bullish DXY for the current week, but if you take a look at the structure is a little bit mixed here because of this unexpected news. And on EURUSD, we have the same thing here. The market was bearish here since a dollar was strong, but the structure is a little bit mixed here because of this unexpected news up there. For my trades, this is the only trade that I've taken this week, and it was completely ruined by an unexpected news, so I'll not complain about it. So this is the only trade I have taken for this week. So this is it for this review, the review of this current week. Maybe I'll send the PDF as well in my Discord and Telegram channel. So if you have not yet joined my Discord or Telegram, I'll leave the link in the description box below. And I'll also send forecast for the upcoming week in the Discord and Telegram channel as well. So make sure you join my social medias, my Discord, and my Telegram. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Stay tuned and see you the next time.